Okay lads, so tá go catá se bhí déanamh, so chuir le chéile na litreacha seo agus scríomh cearfocail ón liste leis na litreacha agus an seo, so freigar na ceisna. So an raibh, so tá bhí nó ní raibh, right? So an raibh tú teen in ye, so teen. Were you sick? So an raibh tú bhí nó ní raibh, right? So bhí nó ní raibh. An raibh tú scoil in ye. So scoil in school in ye. So yesterday. Were you in school yesterday? So an raibh tú, were you? Bhí nó ní raibh. An raibh tú ag an siopa in ye. So ag an siopa at the shop. An raibh sé fuair in ye. Fuair, an raibh sé fuair. An raibh sé ag cur sneachta. So ag cur sneachta, it was snowing. An raibh tú ag immert pell in ye. So an raibh tú ag immert pell. Were you playing football yesterday? Right? So an raibh tú ag immert pell. So bhí nó ní raibh. Okay? Agus tá scéal nua again, so cóta nua. So what do you think this might be about? Cóta nua. So cóta is a coat, okay? And nua means new, okay? So our new coat. Okay? So on Colleen Shaw, so Crushing Kesh Aaron Fair, she asked the boy a question. Caird atá uat. What do you want? So ba wa lum cóta nua. I would like a new coat. So I would like. Okay? So I would like. Not I like, but I would like. Seo cóta jas. Quir art on cóta seo. This is a nice coat. Put it on you. Right? Go raibh ma agat. We know what that means. Thank you, doesn't it? Tá sé rómheog. So tá sé rómheog. So it is too small. Quir art on cóta seo. Put on this coat. Tá sé rómhór. It's too big. Quir art on cóta seo. Ba wathlum on cóta seo. So ba wathlum, he would like this coat. €20 más é the holiday. So €50, please and thank you. Seo dit on target. Here is the money. Agus seo dit do chóta nua. So seo dit do chóta nua. So here is your new coat. So when you have do in there, we add a little H in the middle of our word. So after the first consonant, so the first letter, do chóta, and add a ch sound, right? Do chóta. Now, so I won't ask questions. So, caird atá uat. So what would you like? Okay, so we're going to read this. I'm going to read this first for you, and then if you need to come back to this point, so it is currently 3:55. So this will be the point you come back to hear how the story is read aloud, and you're going to read it for me, right? Caird atá uat. Ba wa lum cóta nua. Seo cóta jas. Quir art on cóta seo. Go raibh ma agat. Tá sé rómheog. Quir art on cóta seo. Tá sé rómhór. Quir art on cóta seo. Ba wa lum on cóta seo. €20 más é do hol é. Seo dit on targid. Seo dit do chóta nua. Okay? So that's how you're supposed to pronounce all the words. If you have any problems, contact me in class dojo. And then I have questions here for you, right? So, K a V sa shoppa. Okay, Caird a canig Liam. Canig níomh cóta. Caird a hug Liam don shoppador. Agus caird a hug an shoppador don Liam. Okay, so I'll go through this. So, K a V sa shoppa. So, who was in the shop, right? So who was in the shop? So V, I remember to add in our word here. So V sa shoppa. So who was in the shoppa? V. So V. Oh, V. Liam sa shoppa. Alright, V Liam sa shoppa. Okay, on éasca. V Liam sa shoppa. Caird a canig Liam. So what did Liam buy? Okay, what did Liam buy? So canig Liam and then dot dot dot. So we write canig Liam and then whatever he bought. So what did he buy? What did he buy, sorry? Canig níomh cóta. So did níomh, and what does canig mean? Buy. So did níomh buy a jacket, right? Or a coat. Did Níomh buy a jacket or coat? So remember we have our onrev, we have our V and near. What's our near canig? So near canig, remember we do this with our verbs? Near canig, níomh cóta, right? Caird a hug Liam don shoppador. So what did Liam give? So this verb means to give. Hug means to give. Okay, caird a hug. It's like we get rid of the T. Okay, hug, H-U-G. Caird a hug Liam don shoppador. So what did Liam give the shopkeeper? Caird a hug on shoppador to Liam. What did the shopkeeper give to Liam? Alright? So very simple sentences, right? And then that should be it then.